So that's where we are today. Thought it was gonna be an easy day just to scrape some rust off, but then we're ending up finding this heat shield that was pretty bad, and one of the bolts were gone, so that's where I believe my rattle noise was coming from. So we decided that's dead weight. We're gonna put some heat wrap around, as I've done in the front where in the engine bay. We're gonna keep doing that in the back now since we take that one off. So but yeah, this is the 2.5 inch with a IPD, I believe it was. And I noticed when I took it off, it looks like there's been a little exhaust leak right here. You can see it's definitely a lot exhaust has sipped out there, so we're definitely gonna get new V-band clamp. This one here is completely toast. So what we actually was going to do today, the reason why I took the bumper off is to clear this. This is surface rust, but I want to clean it up and get it out to metal. And we got this metal primer. This piece is going to be cut off, so I'm not worried about that. But right now I'm worried about, I want to clean this up, make it look a little nicer. And we got the parts. I was excited about that, and then ending up being that I ordered maybe wrong one. We got this bracket for the muffler. That's the right one, but those rubber hangers are way too short. I mean, they had to be, they're supposed to go this way, and they had to be more the oval one. This is not gonna work. So we just had to order new ones, but that's no big deal. This car is not going anywhere. It's gonna sit in the garage while I'm working on it, so no big deal. But I'm excited. I got new. We gotta put them. I got new clips for this grill. I just had those 3 ones on there. Those other ones broke off, or I don't know what happened to them, but anywho, now we can actually put that grill on, and you can see you have those little notches where those little plastic pieces goes in. Let me see if you can see it from the bottom here. There we go. And I still have problem with this one in the middle. I don't know what the deal is, because when I'm pushing it all the way in, it's flush on the outside of the hood, but so this must be bent in a little bit, just enough. But let's put those little brackets here on and go from there. So we got 6 of them, and I believe Yeah, since the one is too far out, we're just gonna put on 5. There we go, that's the 5th one there. So let's super easy. I mean, it can't be more easy than this to put them on. You just, it has a bigger size on there. You just slide that on there. And put it on, and that's it. I mean, that's... Let's get the rest of them on. It'd be nice to drive a car with a grille on. It looks a little nicer. There's one down here. Alright, that looks so much better. Yeah, see, it's well, it goes a little bit out, but it's not much, but I can live with that. Now we got the grill on. Perfect. Alright, so that's what we, a small project we had going on today. We're gonna see if I can find some bigger grinding wheels. I just have some small ones. They're not gonna work. It's gonna take forever to use this here on getting all the rust off, and I think it had a steel wire. Yeah, there's one there. That's good to get some of the bigger stuff off. It's good to get it started, but I'd like to see if I can get a little bigger one. So, all right, so that's what we did today. Get something done, and just keep working on it. Working on the interior, get it gutted. You see, we're taking all those noise boards off, the insulation vibration boards, or whatever they call them. We get pretty clean up here. That looks pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with that. And now we're gonna paint everything white again. So we got those there, and we got to have it take the seat off and get underneath there and up there in the front. So we got a few more to go, but it's all right. We got time. That stuff you can do. That's pretty free too. You don't have to spend any money on that. I mean, you can, to get those boards off, you can use a heat gun or a dry ice, but I just used a scraper. Found a day that's super hot, and it softened it up really good. It just comes up super easy. When it's normal weather, like I would say down in the 60s, it might be a little cooler. That might be a little harder to get them off, but when it's really hot, like in the 90s, it's no problem. I had no problem at all taking them off. So yeah, it's a hot one today, but so yeah, that's our how far we got today. So I'll let you guys know when I make progress, when I get some new parts in, and when we can put the exhaust back on and see how it looks, and make it progress here. So hey, if you like this content and like to see more, please like it and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.